So far, we have learned about our basic Git commands. So now let's learn about Git branch command. So what's a branch? A branch is basically a Xerox copy, a photocopy of that particular branch. So basically I have this main branch. If I want to create the same snapshot of this particular branch to another branch and I want to work on that, it means that I don't want to make changes on the main branch, but I want to test certain feature on the other branch, like for example, branch A, right? So let's learn about the git branch command. The first command we want to learn is a git branch. So this will basically help us list all the branches. So you can see if I say git branch, currently I have only one branch, which is basically the main branch. Okay. So let's continue with the next command. So basically, why do we need a branch? We need a branch because we want to create a copy of our original branch. And so that we can make our changes there, we can test, and then once we are done, we can request to merge that particular branch to this branch, right? So how can we create a branch? So in order to create a branch, you can use this command git branch and the name of the branch. Basically, I can say git branch and I can say new branch. Okay. So if I check my git branch, so now you can see I have two branches, basically the main branch and the newly created new branch. Cool, right? So in the next command, let's learn how we can go to that particular branch, because if you can see now we are currently in the main branch, right? So how can I go to that particular branch, which I could just create a new branch? So we can use the command git checkout in the name of the branch. Basically, it will help us switch to that particular branch. I can say git checkout new branch. Right? So basically, it's switched to the branch new branch. So currently, I am in the new branch. Cool, right? And so currently, what I did was I say that git branch new branch. I give the name of the branch and I do git checkout new branch. So if I want to do this both of the thing in the single command, then it will be basically git checkout -b. Basically, this means a checkout to this particular branch. If it doesn't exist, then create it. So I can say git checkout -b and I'll say new branch 2. So you can see, so I have directly switched to a new branch 2 in a single command. Cool, right? So I can say git branch. So now I have 3 branches and I'm currently in the new branch 2. Cool. Let's continue. Let's say I have these 3 branches. Okay. And then I want to delete this new branch. So how can I do that? So for that, it's simple. We can say git branch -d and the name of the branch. So I can say git branch -d and new branch. So the branch new branch was deleted. If I check git branch now, we don't have any branch with the name new branch, right?